Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today I will be showing you guys a screener on how to find stocks before everyone else, or how to find stocks before everyone sees them. So, okay, so this video will be like a quick little video. We're going to be talking about filter, as I said, which is going to have around six filters. It may be a little bit yeah, around six filters. So let's get straight into it. And throughout the video, I will be explaining everything, so there is no need for you to kind of click off the video, then go ahead and search it for yourself. No need for that. So let's get straight into it. Overall, the first thing that I'm going to be doing will be the industry. Okay, the industry. Like what I want to do is I'm always looking for stocks only. So let's go with that, and I always go ahead and click on all right here. So we're left with only one filter right now. There are like five more to go. The next thing will be the RVOL. Okay, so a lot of people are having kind of confusion. What does the RVOL mean, or relative volume? Maybe it's like somewhere people are saying, like talking about, oh, like I don't know, it's is it a ticker or something like that. But basically, RVOL, or like relative volume, excuse me about that. But RVOL is basically an indicator that tells traders how the current trading volume is compared to the past trading volume in a given period. Okay, so what does that, like, simply said? It basically means that even like if the volatility is like maybe a little bit better than the past day, or like lower than the past day. In this case, I always look for over 1.5. Okay, why 1.5? But just mainly because, like, for example, the past day you had the R vol was like around like 150k, then 150 times 1.5, or over 1.5. We can see that it's a quite volatile, and we like volatile stocks. So with that said, the next thing will be the average volume. The average volume in this case, we're going to be looking for stocks that have over 300k, basically a average amount of shares traded in a stock per day, or average number of shares back and forth that day with one liquid stocks. In this case, average volume will be right around 300k. Then the next thing that we have right here will be the 200-day simple moving average. Okay, in this case, I always want to look for three simple moving averages, but in this case, I'm only going to be using the 200-day simple moving average. It basically gives you a average of the closing prices in the mean of the previous like 200 days, and if the price is above that line of the above that 200-day simple moving average, it shows you that it is a in a bullish trend. So the price above SMA 200 gives me an understanding that the price is bullish. After that, there's like two more things that we're gonna feel will be the the market capitalization. Okay, the market cap. The market cap, like we're what I like to do is I just go under 2 billion. Okay, no, actually over 300 million plus small. That tells you that like we're looking for stocks that have a market like capitalization. Basically, like what does the market cap mean? Like if you as you see right here, if you go over it with the mouse, it tells you that it equals to the dollar. It equals to the total dollar market value of all of the company's outstanding shares. That said, there's like one more thing that I'm going to fill out, and it will be it for today. And I think that you got it right, but it is shares outstanding. What does the shares outstanding mean? If you go over it with the mouse, it shows you that it represents the total number of shares issued by a corporation and held by its shareholders. So, how many shares are held by the shareholders, and like and they're issued by the company? And in that case, I'm going to be looking for a number that is under like 100 million. So like this is it with the filters. You can go ahead right now, screenshot this, and you can kind of go ahead on the charts. Like what I always want to do, let's just go back to the overview. I'm always looking for the most volatile stocks. Okay, so just like that, I just double click on this volume right here. And with that said, right here on the top we have SSXI. So go ahead on the charts and like scroll if you can find some stocks that you can basically find before everyone else. And but like that's about it. It is always up to you. And not everything will be the same. Just go ahead, screenshot that, and peace out, guys, and have a great day for the rest of your day. Bye. I will give you like 3 seconds or so, so do not worry. And guys, peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.